Junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go again, my beautiful friends. So I got spreads here, but not any spreads. I got fancy spreads from candy bars. So there's got MilkyWay, Mars, Twix, Bounty, and I also got the Milka spread. And the big question is, of course, do they taste like the original? And therefore I also organized the original. So I got the Milka chocolate bar here. And for all these Mars Corporation things, I got these celebrations. And inside here should be one of each. I don't have Snickers spread, but yeah. Here we go, Mars, Twix, Bounty, and Milky Way. Okay, so let's start off with the product. The company is named after Mars. And these come in these glasses. I open it up. And it's then has this lid on. So this was funny. It's sort of aluminium now. I don't know what this material is. And yeah. Hey, there's funny things going on here. One of these were the best before was over. Yeah, this one, the best before is over. Anyways, I'm not quite sure why this happened. And what the white stuff? Maybe the white stuff is just the packaging. I get rid of this. Okay, my friends. So this must be the fat was coming out of the thing. And here's like the spread. Oh my god. Oh my god. But I'm a tough guy, I will taste it anyways. I think it's fine, it's just 1 month or something. Let's eat it. It tastes super nutty. Tastes kind of cool, but I wouldn't say necessarily like the original Mars. So let's eat it. Heat damage. Okay. I would say it's very different. This is like more chocolate nut. I asked myself what the yellow stuff is. Okay. It says caramel. Anyways, there's paprika inside. Paprika extract. Anyways, next one. Twix. Yes, this is it's a very velvet, nice, pleasant taste. But not like the original. So sort of nutty caramel. Now Twix. And we got the lid again. So this don't has like oil swimming on the surface. Let's get some. Okay, so this seems to have some crispy pieces inside. I turn it around. Let's eat it. This has also the strange velvet taste in there, like the Mars. Now actually getting a slice of bread, since these are spreads. Let's spread it onto a bread. This is a nice addictive taste, but it's not the original really. So, and I have to tell you, I can't eat this actually, since this is all lactose based product. Right. But yeah, for you, I do it. Okay, now some Twix. Yeah, has nothing to do with each other. Next one. Bounty. Here we go. This is what the cream looks like. It's nice coconut smell. Let's eat it. This tastes super fatty. This is the most trivial now. It's sweet fat cream which tastes like coconut. But I think it's actually the one who's most true to its original. Okay. But the original is chocolate coated. So it actually should have been two things. One side coconut cream, the other one chocolate. Anyways, now Milky Way. There we go. I hope I hope this review does get some views. I also was lazy. I didn't do a lot the last couple of days. And here we got the fat swimming again. So, but this is until January. So let's turn this around as well. Turn around. Yeah, this looks straightforward. Two components. Now eat the white stuff. This is the most boring one. But has an intense cacao kick. Okay. I like this. This looks like an awesome picture here. Here. As first time I think I'm doing something like this. Open up spreads and like turn them around. So now we have it. This taste is sort of disgusting. I have to compare it. Yeah, maybe. So, now the competitor, so the other company, I think, Mondelez or something, yeah, also had sort of the idea to do it. And they have a different glass And also the lid works differently. I think I know why I've got this fat spin problem. This was in a fridge. It was in a fridge for months. So I think this must have extracted the fat somehow. The cool down and then the heat up again. Okay, and this is totally one component. In terms of components, this is the most trivial. Oh, look at my sandwich. Let's write a comment. Would you like to eat this sandwich? Oh my god. Let's have it. Yeah. In terms of originality, this is perfect. This is the best one. Yeah, hazelnut cream. It's like super close to Nutella. It's nearly Nutella. Hey, no, this is not a hazelnut one. This is like the Alp milk. Oh my god. Here we go. No, we don't. So, Milka. Plain chocolate. I would also say that this is not really the same thing, because like this is hazelnut cream. Very nice. Nice and tasty. Okay, we have it. This is also sort of my farewell to lactose-based junk food products. Yeah. Okay, now I eat the sandwich. Oh my god. I put the sandwich away. I don't know. I would say I wouldn't recommend any of. I would recommend the Milka. This is nice, but this is sort of, I don't know. I think when I bite it off, I ate one of this velvet flavor here. Yeah. This is, my friends, have you heard? I think they are all useless products, basically. They are better spreads. Maybe the Twix was best. I don't know. I don't know, my friends. I hope you liked this episode. Yeah. My verdict is that these four here are useless products. Like also they did also like the Twix milk, Mars milk. This is also a useless product. But I like this, or I liked the Snickers ice cream. This was nice. Anyways, thanks for watching and Merry Christmas, my friends.